Yes, sir. I say, woo-hoo. It's a beautiful day out here. I'm finally getting a little something done. Beating around the shop. Trying to get some fuel line in this doggone Husqvarna string trimmer. Getting a little frustrated with it. What do y'all do when y'all working in the shop trying to get something done and it's lagging on longer and longer than it should? I tune a little something in on the TV back here behind me. Try and find somebody who's having a worse time than me. And right now, that'd be Mr. Tom Doby. Let me show you what the... Yeah. Oh, Tom. He battling with a belt. And makes me feel better about what I'm battling with. Yeah. Let's take a look at the board for the week. Woo, y'all remember that name. It's going to be coming up a lot. Me, I'm going to get back on this small project. Woo. It's been fun, but I'm ready to go do something else. It's just always aggravating. Little fuel line project. What else we got going on? Old project, need to put back in use. I don't want to show y'all my mess. Look at that mess. But I'm glad you took a minute to stop in. If you don't mind, wish me and old Tom a little luck. Get it, Tom, old boy, get it. Let me get to my business. Yeah, I got the nasty out of it. My fuel lines done seen better days. And this wasn't bad, but it probably wasn't far from it. So wish me luck, and let's hope it'll crank. Get on, hit that primer bulb a time or two. Give him a choke. Hey, I got mine fixed. I'm gonna take a minute and watch old Tom wrap his project up. I appreciate y'all stopping in today to see what old Rooster been up to. Ain't been much. We're gonna change it. Once again, I appreciate y'all stopping in. Check on Tom out. Don't mind, leave a comment. Tell old Nathan congratulations on being #1. We'll see y'all. Hey, yeah.